Good morning, my green friends. I'm here to talk about a plant that all of you must have eaten but wouldn't recognize it. Does the name taro ring a bell? Taro, or as it is more popularly known in Hindi, Arbi is a tropical plant grown primarily for its edible tubers and is a root vegetable. It is one of the most widely cultivated plants. Taro corns are a food staple in African, Oceanic and South Asian cultures similar to yams. And taro is believed to have been one of the earliest cultivated plants. In India, taro root is cooked and consumed as a dish. It requires warm season for its growth. It is commercially grown because of its consumption of sweet and starchy tubers. The taro roots are also known as eddo, dashin and kalo. The plant mainly attains the height of 1 to 2 meters. They have light green colored leaves which are elongated and heart-shaped. The easiest way to propagate taro is from tubers, which you can get from a nearby nursery or from your previous harvest. Leaves of arbi are a yummy veggie in its own. Put the tuber in a compost-rich and well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist and you will see the tuber sprouting in 1 to 2 weeks. The ideal temperature is 20 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Taro doesn't like low temperatures and won't grow properly below 10 degrees Celsius. So, in colder climates, you must grow it in the summers and late spring. Water frequently to always keep the soil moist. Adult plants are drought resistant but don't grow in the lack of water. But remember to never go overboard with watering. They may be ready for harvesting in 2 to 3 months, depending upon the variety and growing conditions. Be careful while harvesting as the sap of the plant can cause mild irritation to skin, eyes and mucous membranes. That is also the reason we fry it before we cook it. Harvest carefully while wearing gloves. These have many health benefits. They are used to prevent cancer, blood pressure, heart health, diabetes, digestive health, skin, and is used to boost vision. Cooked like a potato and enjoyed for its sweet taste, taro is a healthier option when compared to other starch veggies on the market. Its leaves are also edible and you can enjoy the same by cooking them like spinach. Please subscribe, like and share our post using the icons below. Bye for now.